another fellow rider. She goes by Busa Baby. She rides a Hayabusa. What is going on, my Moto family? Hopefully all you guys are doing great. Bienvenidos a mi canal, Moto. Yeah, we are back. I got new gear. Got myself into some new gloves, new jacket for more of the warmer climate. I hope you guys enjoyed that last video. The previous week, we're still celebrating my birthday week. This video will be uploaded the following Saturday. As you guys see, new gloves, new jacket, mesh for the warmer climate. Pulled out Luna, and we're gonna go ahead and give her a nice little cold start so you guys can enjoy. As usual, sounds very, very good. Ooh, so excited. I gotta have to go gas her up. As you remember the last video I had, there was a situation where the bolt had fallen off. This bolt completely fell off for some reason. I guess I didn't put Loctite on it. So what we did was, the bolt that was here, this was where the original exhaust was. So what we did was we used this bolt, since it was just hanging there doing nothing, we used it and put it over here in this area, which worked out perfectly fine. It's been holding on pretty tightly. I got some tools in the miniature trunk that's back there, which doesn't hold much, but it works. So right now I'm just gonna go to Publix, grab something to eat, because I've not eaten anything all day. I've been in my room editing that video from my birthday, which was like a 2-hour video that was condensed down to about 13-14 minutes. That's my roommate over there. So yeah, big shout out to the roomie over there. Huh? Now I'm recording you. Yeah, that's my roommate. I guess deliver some packages or something like. Oh, I think always sounds nice. This thing vibrates a lot. It really does. It's crazy. I gotta see how much gas I got. Oh, I just had it there. It was showing. It's enough, but I'd rather be safe. Let's go. All right. Ooh. I'm already loving this jacket. It's comfortable. Heated grips are still on. I don't know what I'm doing. I gotta see what everybody else is doing first. But I had a blast on my birthday. It was amazing. I could not wish for a better birthday. What are you doing, buddy? Are we so let's go ahead and fill up, and then I'll just check. Oh, there's also Winn-Dixie. Man, I'm so hungry I can eat anything. Who's that? Ah! And here is the admin of the group, rocking the Florida Motorcycle Rider shirt. Man, I just spent like 2 hours editing the video, giving you guys many shout outs. So this is the admin of the group. What's up, Papa? You missed out at an amazing ride yesterday. Let me just say, look at that. I'm gonna tell you right now, the best shirt that you'll see ever is the one with the BMW logo right there. It's the best one you'll find. All right, guys, I'm gonna hit you guys back up in a minute. We'll be out on the road, and we'll chat in a sec. The crew got here. I just noticed this man. Hey. You need air. You need air. On both tires. Yeah, you need air on both tires. Oh yeah, you need air on both tires. Where can we stop for air? He needs air. He needs air. We'll follow you. Go for it. Bienvenidos a Moto family. We are here taking a ride out to meet up with another rider. This man came straight from Orlando all the way out to St. Cloud. AJ, who is the admin, just picked up that ZX10. Beautiful bike. I'm not sure of the year. I forgot to ask him about the year. We're gonna go pick up another fellow rider. She goes by Busa Baby. She rides a Hayabusa. Oh, sheesh. Easy there, killer. Ooh, he scared the crap out of me. He almost fell. Oh, that was sketchy. I caught that though. Oh, he's okay. I thought he was gonna lay it down. I really did. The plan today is we're gonna head out to Kissimmee. First, we're gonna go to Orlando, right to meet up with the rest of the crew. Dang, this neutral does not want to kick in. We're gonna meet up with the rest of the crew. We have quite a few riders that's gonna go to the Wawa that we usually go to right in Orlando, and then from there we're gonna hit up Kissimmee. I got his GoPro mounted and everything. Let's check out this bike. 2015 ZX10. Yeah, so it looks beautiful. He just picked it up.
32 or so?
Usually I do 36. I typically do 36.
36?
Yeah. So he picked up this bike, I believe it was Thursday. We rode out, it was Friday night. Unfortunately, I lost my rear cowl and she took a pretty big hit. I found it the next day, which it sucks, but I just ordered another part, the other cowl, so it'll be coming in soon. Yeah, already lost a bolt, lost a rear cowl. It's crazy. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and ride out to Orlando over at the Wawa that we usually meet up at. From the Wawa, we're gonna go to Kissimmee. All right, welcome back, my Moto family. We are here stopped at New York Avenue here in St. Cloud, Florida. Yes, everything is by state when you get to downtown St. Cloud. We're gonna go pick up Busa Baby. Oh yeah, everything. Everything feels like this.
Cover came off.
Huh? Yeah, that's exactly what happened. Freaking bracket came right off. Look at this. Brick roads. And there's her bike. This thing is beautiful, man. I love the colors. Look at this Busa. This thing is absolutely gorgeous. It's got the little red sparkles everywhere. Yeah? Hola. Hola. She's so cute. Dime la locura. What's good, baby? What's up, Papa?
How are you?
I'm good, baby. How are you? ¿Todo bien? What's up, kiddo? Oh, I get some love. Yeah. I get some love. You got ice cream? Yes. Mmm. I got mine at home. Huh? I got mine at home. Yeah, my ice cream is at home. She's like, nope. The fue lo que compré en... Yeah, it was like $60. Yeah, they're comfortable. Very comfortable. So.
¿Tienes que abrir con el celular o no?
Yeah.
¿Te sirve?
Tengo que hacerla así. Pero funciona. No puedo hacerla así, tengo que hacerla así.
Depende de los stickers que van a los juegos. Si tú quieres.
¿Oh, sí? Oh, ok.
Yo tengo los míos, pero están arriba ya, tengo que cambiarlos.
Ah, ok, ya. Pero yo lo cojo con esto.
24 horas.
Mm.
No lo dejes, lo sé rápido.
Ah. Yeah, it's dirty already. Does it? Mira. Se me fue volando. Hizo ¡bra! Cogió el cantazo, lo cogió. All right, so we'll meet up at Wawa and we'll see you guys in a little bit. We are back here at the Wawa location. We got all these bikers. We're headed out right to Kissimmee. We got the man with the S1K. That thing looks clean. Ooh, that's the I forgot the name of the color, but there's a few S1Ks. Got S1K there. My S1K, there's another one over there. We're gonna follow these guys all the way through. I'm always the last to get ready. I'll get behind you. Everybody's good? Look at the V4S. Woo, that thing is clean. Actually, people hate on the dual exhaust in the back. He's got the titanium Akrapovic dual pipe for that bike, and it looks absolutely phenomenal. In my opinion, it looks great. We're going to a Caribbean festival, which is located in Kissimmee. It's going to be a lot of food, drinks, you know, chill, music, live music, kind of a chill vibe. So we're going to go ahead and park our bikes and just have a good time, just kind of chill and enjoy each other's company. Yeah, baby, let's go. Look at that. Oh, that V4S. These guys, look at that. Gorgeous. Oh, he wants a shot at this, boy. Yeah, man. We just very chill ride. I like to goof around. I am watching you, watching you, watching you. You're on camera, you're on camera, you're on camera. Somebody do a burnout? A burnout? There we go. Woo. Beautiful. Woo! Sheesh! I love it, right? It's just nice, man. Beautiful. Huh? The lights? Oh, man. What is going on, family? We are out of here. We enjoyed the festivities and Booster baby. We're about to be out, headed to the crib. Got to hang out with the crew, with Florida Moto riders. Oh, I love my crew. I got I love them, absolutely love them. Thank you guys for tuning in to my channel, and you guys showed me so much love for my birthday. That last birthday video, that started late morning into the evening. Like I got home around just about 10 o'clock. You guys showed me so much love through the comments and everything, and I was so happy to see this. Like I had the biggest smile on my face as I'm editing the videos and stuff. I want to give a huge shout out to you guys for wishing me happy birthday on my birthday in the previous video. Thank you so much. Love each and every single one of you. For the newcomers, welcome to the channel. Thank you guys for joining in. And all the people that are currently with me, thank you so much for following me and for just, you know, showing lots of love. And I appreciate every single one of you guys. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. We will see you guys in the next video. Peace.